I'm going to adjust this guy right here. So the the wall material, and those come in 30-inch panels. So what I want to do is let's go to our floor plan here, and I want to look at this elevation. I have an elevation looking at that wall. So if I double click on it, you can see that I've added that panel distances as a model pattern, and if you watch the video. So those are actually 30 inches, right? And so what I want to do is make sure that the panels break correctly. Like I don't want these little halvesy panels. So I've moved the wall 2 inches below the ceiling that you can see here. So what I want to do is actually move this pattern up to where it justifies there. And you can use the Align tool to do this. So if I go to the Align tool, I can pick the top of the wall and then pick this and it will snap it up there, right? Even if I go to shaded, right? It'll actually move the material with it. So I have a material on there that's associated with it, and it will move the material. But I'll go back to hidden line. And then this guy, whoops, I actually double clicked on it. I'm going to undo that. You can do multiple things. You can actually, I want to move this guy up, right, to where it's the right distance to break. And so I can do that just kind of by eye here. But if you look here, the unconnected height is, and the base offset is weird. So it looks like what it needs to be is 7'6", right? So the unconnected height needs to be 7'6" and not 5 and 22. So if I do 6, right, that should be correct. If you come in and take a look at it, if it's still off a little bit, you can use the align command to align that to that, and it should work out down here, right? So now that guy is working. So if we go to our 3D view, right, that's what we have now, is this guy. And if we go to our A2.1 assemblies, that's what we have here and here. And then if we go to our 3D view, right, our 2.2 sheet, you're starting to get these details coming through. And we'll talk about these details and how to update them in just a bit. Okay.